Welcome to my channel. I'm Shadab Akhtar Rabbani and this will be my first tech video. So today I'll be unboxing the Poco X2. I've bought it for myself. So let's find out what's in here, and also I'll be telling you why did I choose the Poco X2 over the Realme X2. It's mostly got to do with the pricing, but I'll tell you what's different here. So let's open the box first. Take the seal out and let's dive into the box. What have we got here? So it's a huge box, and at the top we have a yellow cover. So this one is the Atlantis Blue variant of 6GB and 128GB, which has an MRP of 18,999, but I got it for 16,999 on Flipkart. And in this yellow box, yellow package, we have a SIM ejector, a polycarbonate back cover to protect the phone, and we also have a user guide here. Let's keep this aside. And then here we have our package. Here is the phone. I'll be telling you how does it look, what's the physical outlook soon. Let's just find out what's in it. So inside we have the USB type A to USB type C cable and a 27 watt fast charger. So I'll just keep the package aside and I'll tell you about the phone. So here we have the Atlantis blue color phone. Just take it off. It looks really good, and here is the phone. So talking about the phone, so we have a 6.67 huge screen over here which has 120 Hz of display, and on the top we have the microphone, and on the sides we have the volume rockers, and below that is the power on off button, which also has the capacitive fingerprint scanner. At the bottom we have the 3.5mm jack for the audio jack and the C-type charging port and also the speakers. And on this side we have the SIM tray. Talking about the cameras, we have a quad camera setup which is 64 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2, and on the front we have two cameras, that is 20 plus 2 megapixels, and the phone has a bezel-less display. So what's different here, on the Realme X2 we have in-display fingerprint scanner. Here you have the capacitive on the power button fingerprint scanner, and then we have a hybrid SIM slot. So if you're using two nano SIMs, then you cannot use a memory card, while on the X2 you have a dedicated SIM slot and a memory card slot also. So the Realme X2 comes with an AMOLED display, but it is 60 Hz, while the Poco X2 has 120 Hz display, which is buttery smooth. And also the Poco X2 is coming in with a Snapdragon 730G processor, which is quite fast. And for its pricing, I think this is the best phone out there, even when you compare it with Realme X2. The pricing has got a lot to do in the mid-segment range. So that's it for now. I'll be telling you after using the phone for a few weeks probably, how does it feel and is it worth buying. And we'll also be comparing soon. I'll get into the tech segment, I'll tell you more. So keep watching my channel, subscribe to it, and we'll be getting more updates on different topics and subjects.